Welcome back. The Reggae Boyz are back home from their international friendly in Peru before getting ready for a quick turnaround in 4 days' time as they head to Martinique for the Caribbean Cup.
A 3-1 defeat is expected to leave a bitter taste in anyone's mouth, but it's not the exact case for the Reggae Boyz, who were beaten by Peru in their friendly international on Tuesday in that country. Assistant coach JEROME WAITE says the result was disappointing, but the game must be seen for what it was.
Well, first and foremost, remember it's a practice game and we play at a high altitude, and that is over 7,000 feet above sea level. It wasn't an easy one because one of the main objectives was to give these local based players the opportunity to compete at this level for the first time and to get a taste of it to see what it's all about.
However, WAITE believes that the local based players fell short of what was expected.
They didn't show much. As what I outlined earlier, the altitude was pretty much difficult. But I think they have done their part, in which we still expected more, but it's a work in progress.
Striker SHAMAR NICHOLSON was getting his second start, but is yet to find his first goal. He says it was pretty rough and intense, but believes he could have done more.
Yes, I'm willing to put in the work and I hope it will come one day. Once I put in the work, I know it will come because I'm a natural goal scorer, but it's in the pipeline though.
They will also miss out on the services of defenders Adrian Mariappa and Michael Hector for the Caribbean Cup.
Well, Mariappa is on a 12-week injury. He did minor surgery to his left knee, so he's out. Hector has indicated that he's not available for the Caribbean Cup and the Gold Cup.
Wes Morgan was also being targeted for the Gold Cup.
Wes Morgan, as we all knew, had some injury issues at the ending of his season, so he will not be available. I can say that we will not have any UK players in the Gold Cup squad.
US-based players Corey Burke, O'Neill Fisher, Sergio Campbell and Sean Francis will all be available for the Caribbean Cup. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.